NASDAQ this week has gone a little bit up, then gone down, and then up again. So we can see what happens after the price has made a bullish breakout in the previous week and confirmed that the price started to drop in value and reached 18,000 as a round number support level, and from there the price could not make a bearish breakout, which could indicate that the price will continue to fall down in value. But on Thursday the price formed this bullish candle where this rise in value has started to continue on the Friday, and the price reached again all-time high. And on the Friday the price has dropped in value, where the price reached 18,000 as support level and demand zone. Now on the weekly time frame, this looks a bullish breakout that has happened in the previous week, and it has been confirmed with this week, where the price did not return back inside. On the monthly time frame, this is indecision candle, so the month has just started. We have a week and a half just has passed, but we have around 2 more weeks until this month ends. So for now, what I can see, it is pretty hard to make any conclusion on the monthly time frame, but for any conclusions we should come at the end of the month to see how this candle looks. For now, I am still focusing on the weekly and the daily time frame, but what I can see on the weekly time frame is this bullish breakout that has been confirmed. The price did not return back inside, so I'm expecting that the price will continue to rise in value, but we will see what happens on the daily. On the daily time frame, the price should not return back inside. If it returns back inside down, it will be a bearish breakout, which could indicate that the price fall down. So for any conclusions right now, I am waiting outside of the markets, waiting what could happen, but I am still more inclined into bullish momentum because of this strong bullish momentum where the price could not make a breakout to the downside this week. We can see it here. So this is indication that the price and also the bulls are holding the price and preventing the price from falling down, where the selling pressure is not so high that we could see the price dropping below this one. So if it happens on the daily time frame, this bullish breakout, it will indicate that there is a potential move downside. But until that happens, I will stay and see what happens. On the upper side, we can see at a very important level that the price needs to make a break. It needs to make a breakout is this one area from here to here, around 18281. So the price needs to make a breakout above in order to continue to rise value to reach 18,500 as the next supply zone resistance level. If it happens to the downside, the price makes a breakout on the daily time frame, I will share that inside the Telegram group. The link will be below in the description, so if you would like to check, feel free to check that. So this is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.